Spreadsheet software has come a long way since 1982. This was Multiplan, originally released by Microsoft to rival the spreadsheet software of the time, VisiCalc. But it definitely would be outsold by Lotus 123 and eventually replaced by Microsoft Excel. Something you might not see enough of these days is R1, C1 notation. This did not have A1 notation. It did not have A, B, C across the top yet. When doing formulas, you could use equal sign to create a formula in a spreadsheet cell. And formulas would recalculate. If you created a formula in the total column and then re-entered a number in column 1 or 2, using that, it would actually recalculate immediately. The legacy this leaves behind is that VisiCalc had A1 notation, Multiplan had R1, C1 notation, and Excel accepts both notations. Byte magazine said that Multiplan for the Macintosh is a winner. Ahoy called the Commodore 64 version of Multiplan a professional quality spreadsheet. There is not enough room in this article to mention all the mathematical operations performed. Documentation is lengthy, but well written. I started to read the Multiplan documentation, and it is 468 pages long, but I'll leave you with this from the preface. Microsoft Multiplan is a personal productivity tool that will help you analyze data. As an aid for both business and personal needs, Multiplan is one of the most powerful modeling and planning tools ever invented.